Hi everyone. I just want to talk about some expressions with tener that we're learning in our lesson today. I decided to make my own video. I couldn't find one that was quite what I wanted it. My cat is here too. El gato. Yeah, I couldn't get him to get off the desk, so I guess that's that. Now, we're talking about some expressions with tener. We don't have a whole lot that we need to worry about. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's just take one as an example, tener hambre. And we know that tener hambre means to be hungry, right? Okay. Well, what happens if I want to say I am hungry? I can't just say tener hambre because that just means to be hungry. So if I want to say I am hungry, I have to conjugate this verb here to the yo form. Now the yo form of tener is tengo. It's one of the irregular verbs that we learned, a couple weeks ago. Yo tengo hambre. That's how I would say I'm hungry. Yo tengo hambre. Okay? So to be able to say I am hungry, he is hungry, she is hungry, they are hungry, we are hungry, all of those things, we need to know the conjugations of tener. So I'm going to do a little chart to remind you, and maybe you will remember. The yo form is tengo, el ella form is tiene, ellos, ellas, ustedes es tienen, nosotros es tenemos, we're not worried about vosotros, and then, oops, I should have, the tu form is tienes. Sorry about my cat. Okay, I'm gonna get him out of here. Bye everyone. He's fat. Okay. These are the conjugations. So, tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tienen. So let's use another one. Let's say tener sed. Tener sed means to be thirsty. Now, if I want to say we are thirsty, I would say tenemos, or nosotros tenemos. Nosotros means we, remember. Tenemos sed. Again, if I want to say we are hungry, I cannot say nosotros tener sed. I have to conjugate tener. So I have to conjugate to tenemos because it's the nosotros form. One more example just to make sure everybody understands. Let's do tener sueño. If you remember tener, oh, I got my grammar shirt. Okay, tener sueño is to be tired or sleepy. Let's put sleepy. I think it's more sleepy. I don't know, I'm always trying to specify to my husband there's a difference between sleepy and tired. For me, sleepy is I need a nap, and tired is I just don't want to move. Okay, tener sueño, to be sleepy. Let's say he is sleepy. So, él is he, with an accent. Él. And then we need to use the form tiene, because that's the one that goes with él. So, él tiene sueño. He is sleepy. And I guess I do want to talk about one more. Tener que is to have to. And it's also always followed by another verb, because you don't just say, I have to, period. Well, I guess sometimes we do say that, but normally we say, I have to study, I have to exercise, I have to talk to my mom, I have to da-da-da-da-da-da. So tener que is to have to. So if I want to say, I have to study, I would say, yo, this form of tener, tengo, yo tengo que, this is to have to, and then the verb in infinitive, meaning that it's not conjugated. So we can put estudiar. Sorry, that kind of runs off the board there. Yo tengo que estudiar. If I want to say they have to eat, I would say ellos tienen que comer. So really important to notice that when you say I have to do something, or they have to do something, we have to do something, you have to do something, you need to conjugate the verb tener appropriately with the subject. In this case it's ellos, they. Que is always there. When you say have to do something, that que means the to have to. And then this stays in infinitive, meaning that you did not conjugate that. You leave it er, ir, or ar. You leave it alone. But the tener, you have to conjugate. Okay? So that's tener. Those were just a few examples. We also have tener miedo, to be afraid or to be scared. Tener prisa, to be in a hurry. And tener dolor. Now, I should mention also the reason that these are special expressions with tener is because in English we use to be to say these things. We say to be scared, not to have fear. We say to be hungry, not to have hunger. To be thirsty, not to have thirst. But in Spanish we say to have thirst, to have hunger, to have fear. I guess we do sometimes say that in English. To have pain. So, anyway, that's the tener. Hopefully you were able to use the Quizlet to practice and memorize the special phrases, and hopefully this helped you with conjugating them so that you can use them in on future lessons and in your speech. Okay.